everyone! Today we're going to be painting our wall, and I wanted to share this journey with you guys because this has been a really exciting journey for us. For those of you who don't know, we did purchase a foreclosure last year. It's been a lot of work, heap of work, which I'm sure I'll post a video about one of the many things or some of the many things that we've already done with this project. And this is just one more extra thing that we decided we could take advantage of now that we do have some time at home. And we're going to be taking this giant, very plain Jane kind of grayish whitish wall and making it a feature wall so that our TV blends in a little bit and to make this room a bit more dynamic. So let's get started.
With any great big project, especially painting, it's important that you put your valuable items away, such as expensive furniture or rugs. It's often the most boring step, but it is very important if you don't want to ruin your stuff or end up with some sort of accident, so don't skip it. Before we took this foreclosure and made it our home, the person who lived here before smoked inside, and this caused a lot of grime and dirt to build up over the walls. There was also so many little holes. I mean, you'd think that the people who lived here before had probably 10 or 20 pictures on every single wall. So don't skip this step of properly preparing your wall before you paint it. The color that we used was called Domino by Sherwin-Williams. I should mention that I was not sponsored at all to make this video. I just think that it's a great color. I know whenever I'm looking to do a painting project, I'm always searching around on the internet trying to find examples, real examples of what these colors look like, and I can never find any. You guys, I'm loving this color. It's rich, it's warm, it's a little sexy, sophisticated. Ooh, I'm so excited.
Okay, so we have just finished our painting project for the day. We started at around 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's just a little over 7 o'clock right now in the evening. We haven't put everything back together in the room. I'm really excited to set everything up and see how it looks with a complete project. We did 2 coats of paint, and I highly recommend this paint for anyone who's looking to do it. It's just a residential grade. It's not like a contractor grade or anything fancy. The brand is Sherwin-Williams, and you can find them possibly in your local area. We know we have just an outlet pretty close by. The price point was right on par with what you'd be paying at either Home Depot or Lowe's, but the quality was exceptional. We only did 2 coats, which I thought we were gonna have to do more because it is such a strong color, and I was worried that that whitish gray color that we had underneath would bleed through, but we didn't have that problem at all. So now we're gonna put everything back together and we're gonna see what the final product is.
A shout out to my sister Lace Pendragon for providing the music to this video. So lucky to have a talented musician in the family. If you want to connect with Lace and hear more of her music, I'm going to include some links in the description below for our Bandcamp, SoundCloud, and Twitter. So just so we can see what the room looked like before, a little before and after, here was the room before we did our coat of paint. And here is after. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe. I am going to be posting some more videos about challenges and changes with purchasing a foreclosure, as well as interesting videos and information about the city that I love, Edmonton, Alberta.